Hi everyone, we're back today with a new video featuring a new combination for the waltz. We're dancing an open natural turn followed by an outside swivel with a whiplash recovery and into a Contra Check. It's quite common to follow an open natural with another figure that turns to the right, for example a Chasse Roll. However, the outside swivel offers something different in that it reverses the direction of the turn. So the open natural, which turns to the right, then moves to a turn to the left in the outside swivel, which follows beautifully into the Contra Check, which is a reverse line figure. As you're about to see, we're actually dancing a backwards preparation step for the man and a forwards preparation step for the lady to commence and wind up for our open natural. And we're now going to move into our slow motion component of today's video, where you can see some of the more intricate movements of our bodies. Particularly would like you to pay attention to the long body connection between Talysa's body and my body, and that's maintained throughout all figures. We're trying to maintain our closed position in the open natural. Our outside swivel is commenced outside partner, but finishes back in closed position for our Contra Check, which is also danced in closed position. We're trying also to flow beautifully from one shape to another shape to make it look like one continuous shaping movement of the bodies. And finally, the last angle for our slow motion videos.